In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the refresh rate on Samsung A71. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to control the refresh rate on any Samsung device that you have. So this is going to work for the A71 specifically. So all that you have to do is go into the settings, and in here, scroll down until you find the display category. As you can see, it is going to be the third one. So you have connections, some stuff related to modes, sounds and notifications, and then display. You can also use the search function at the top if you prefer. Go into display, and in here, what you are looking for is the motion smoothness option. So instead of being labeled refresh rate, they call it motion smoothness. So you will be able to choose between standard and adaptive. Now, as you can see, I cannot go into adaptive because power saver mode is on. However, if you turn that off, if yours is enabled as well, you will be able to enable higher refresh rates. So immediately upon turning it off, I can now choose adaptive, and now you can apply. Now, the way that Samsung devices work, they won't allow you to choose specifically to always be on 120 Hz. They will do this adaptive thing where it is going to automatically adjust between the refresh rates. However, it is quite good, and even though I would rather be able to lock it to 120 Hz like my old mobile device, this is still going to be wonderful, and you will definitely notice the difference. Even in the recording, you should be able to tell. So, to keep it simple, in summary, all that you have to do is open the settings on any Samsung device, go into the display category, and look for motion smoothness. When you go into motion smoothness, make sure that you choose adaptive. Standard is going to always be locked to 60 Hz, while adaptive will get you up to 120. So if you are a gamer, you are playing some sort of really high fast-paced game, you will be able to notice a difference in there. However, in day-to-day use, it is also going to be quite noticeable when scrolling up and down, browsing through options, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate on Samsung A71. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.